In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Telegram link to Facebook. By the end, your Facebook profile will include a direct link to your Telegram, making it easy for friends, clients, or followers to reach you in one tap. Start by opening Telegram on your phone or your computer. Either works the same for what we need. Head into Settings, then go to the Accounts area. In this section, look for the username field right underneath it. Telegram shows your public profile link. This is the link people can use to message you without needing your phone number. Press and hold on mobile or right-click on desktop to copy that profile link. If you don't see a link there, it usually means a username hasn't been set yet. The profile link appears only when a username exists, and it will typically look like a TME address followed by your chosen handle. With your Telegram link copied, switch over to Facebook and open your personal profile. Look for the Edit Profile button on mobile. It's just below your profile picture and bio, and on desktop it appears on the right side of your profile header. Click or tap Edit Profile to open the customization screen. Scroll down until you find the Links section. This is where Facebook lets you add websites or other ways to connect. Choose Add Link to create a new entry. In the website link field, paste the Telegram URL you just copied. Give it a quick glance to make sure there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end, and that it starts with the correct address format. Keeping the exact Telegram link ensures Facebook recognizes it as a clickable URL next. Add a short link description. This is optional but helpful. A simple line like "Message me on Telegram" or "Contact me on Telegram" makes it clear what the link is for and encourages people to use it. Keep it concise and friendly, so it fits nicely on your profile. Before you finish, set the visibility of this link to public. This ensures anyone who visits your profile can see and use it even if they're not on your friends list. Visibility matters if you want to be reachable by new connections, customers, or community members. Finally, click Save to confirm your changes. That's it, your Telegram link is now part of your Facebook profile and ready for visitors to use. Thanks for watching.